Hello again. In this video, we will see AI agent engineer skill set. Over the previous session, we have explored the foundation of AI agents, their architectures, and the tools that bring them to life. Today, we will focus on the human side, skills and qualities defining a new and emerging professional, the AI agent engineer. As the industry moves beyond traditional machine learning and into agent based application, these specialists stand at the intersection of AI, engineering, and strategic thinking. If you are considering stepping into this role or hiring for it, here are the core competencies and mindset that help AI agent engineers to excel. So, what are the core competencies of AI agent engineers? So, first one is coding and software development skills. A solid foundation in languages like Python and familiarity with ML frameworks and data processing libraries are essential. AI agent engineers must write clean, modular code and be proficient in testing and debugging to ensure reliability as agent scale in complexity. Knowledge of machine learning and LLM models. Understanding basic ML concepts and the inner workings of LLM model is crucial. AI agent engineers who know how to fine tune and customize models and who grasp tokenization, embeddings, context management, and retrieval augmented generation, also called RAG, can craft more intelligent, context aware agents. System design and architecture. Agents often rely on vector databases, orchestration frameworks, and external APIs. Engineers need to design robust, scalable, and secure systems that seamlessly integrate multiple components. Performance optimization, caching strategies, and compliance consideration all play a vital role. At the last but not the least, a strategic, product oriented mindset. Beyond coding, AI agent engineers must understand the business objectives and user needs driving their projects. By empathizing with end users, focusing on measurable outcomes, and engaging in continuous improvement, they ensure agents deliver real sustained value. An AI agent play a different role of business strategist, solution architect, AI practitioner, and software developer. This we already discussed on coding proficiency like master Python and key ML frameworks, AI ML expertise, understand machine learning concept, LLMs and RAG concept, system design, and strategic thinking. So there are following courses which I recommend, and I also put in the resources the relevant links so that you can go there and refer to all the link and you can learn from that. AI agents in LangGraph, multi AI systems with Crew AI agent design patterns with Autogen, and building agent rack with Llama Index. So these are some of the courses which you can refer to. We can proceed further. Why everyone should engage with AI agent? In today's rapidly evolving landscape, everyone from product managers and analysts to marketers and business leaders stand to gain from learning how AI agents work and how to collaborate with them. There are few key points we want to discuss. One, stay relevant. As AI agents reshape tasks across industries, understanding their basic ensures you remain at the forefront of innovation. Drive outcomes in your role. Non-technical professional can still guide strategy, influence product features, and ensure agents serve real business needs. even if they never write a line of code. Enhance creativity and problem solving. Freeing yourself from routine tasks lets you focus on strategic thinking, enabling creating solutions and larger scale impact. Shape the future, just don't observe it. By learning how to work with AI agent, you are not just adapting, you are influencing norms, ethics, and best practices. Ensure these technologies evolve responsibly. Also, using AI agent, you can future proof your career. Also, by learning AI agent, future proofing your career. Developing familiarity with AI agents prepares you for new challenges and opportunities as the technology continues to mature. So, there will be impact of AI agents across the industry as the technology evolve. We'll get to see lot of use cases in every industry. In healthcare, AI agents assist in diagnosis, treatment, planning, and drug discovery. In finance, agents optimize portfolios, detect fraud, and provide personalized financial advice. In manufacturing, AI agents improve efficiency, predict maintenance, and optimize supply chains. So, embracing the AI agent revolution, we should acquire fundamental knowledge about AI agents and their application. Start experimenting. Start with small projects to gain hands on experience with AI agent technologies. Collaborate and partner with AI specialists to integrate agents into your work. And continue with the innovation mindset. Lead the charge in developing new AI agent solution for your industry. Thank you. See you in the next video.